Welcome to It's All Gravy. We're making a mouth-watering fusion, Japanese Kedgeree, where we take Japanese ingredients and spice up a British Indian classic. Let's start with the flavour bomb that is smoked haddock. Remove the skin and the bones. Cut into large pieces.
Smoky.
We're going to poach it in 300 ml of full fat. This will help draw out some of the salt. Season the milk with a couple of bay leaves and some cracked black pepper. Then bring it to the almost boil. Then add your fish. Smoked haddock doesn't need much cooking, so remove the pan from the heat and it will cook through slowly.
Time to practice those knife skills.
Dice 1 large onion, 15 grams of ginger,
Dice your ginger, nice and fine.
2 cloves of garlic.
Crush the cloves with the back of your knife to remove the skins. Yours should now look like this.
On a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Saute the onions with a pinch of salt. After 2 minutes, it's time to add the ginger and garlic. Another minute with the lid on.
1 tablespoon of curry powder.
Cook the spices until aromatic. Now we're building up the flavour levels.
This will take on some dark colour, but don't let it burn.
Now the fish will be ready.
Beautiful.
Discard the milk and the bay leaves and flake it apart so it looks like this.
This is gonna be banging.
Dice 2 tomatoes, remove the seeds. These add a freshness and an umami kick.
Dice 3 spring onions, nice and fine. I love spring onions. They always add a freshness.
Half a bunch of coriander.
Boom.
And these curried onions from earlier. We're on to the pickled cucumbers. Remove the skin and the seeds.
Welcome to cucumber surgery.
Dice into neat little cubes. Season with lemon and salt and let sit while you cook your rice. This is 250 grams of sushi rice. Wash it until the water runs clear. I'm using my pressure cooker, which doubles as a rice cooker. I highly recommend using a rice cooker for sushi rice as you get the best results. You can get away with cooking it in a pan on the stove. We're going to fry the rice in sunflower oil and sesame seed oil.
Add your flaked fish
and edamame. Stir through to heat these up. Next, the rest of your garnishes.
Add cooked and fresh onions. Add your tomatoes. Mix well thoroughly. Add your coriander. Marriage material. Juice of half a lemon. A generous glug of soy sauce. This comes with a lot of practice tossing.
Fry a couple of eggs. It's time to start plating. Cover the kedgeree with pickled cucumbers and ginger. Black sesame seeds.
Lay that puppy.
And chili oil for a kick of spice. And there you have it, our banging Japanese Kedgeree. a true flavour sensation. Join the gravy train and subscribe.